everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well, and in today's video we have a YouTuber tips video. And obviously before I start, I know I'm not the biggest YouTuber, 100%. There's other YouTubers that have grown so much quicker than I have, but it is kind of like a highly requested video. I've had a lot of DMs and things like that asking about how I got subscribers, things like that, and I do quite enjoy filming these sort of videos, just sit down chatty videos, and if it helps one person then I'm happy. I did like a little question thing on Instagram asking what do you want to know, and I got quite a few replies with so many different questions, so I hope I can help you in some kind of way. I will timestamp the questions if you're only interested in certain bits of the video, so look at the description box if you are just wanting to know an answer to a certain question. But without further ado, let's get on to the questions. First question is, why did you start your channel? So if you didn't know, I've had my channel for nearly a year now, which is crazy. I started my channel in April, so obviously in the first lockdown I decided to start. I just knew, because I had so much free time, if I didn't do it then I would regret it, because I've been talking for years and years about how I really want to do it. I just feel like that time was right. If you did not know, I did have a channel about 4 years ago when I was at school, but it was kind of like a secret, and it definitely wasn't the right time to start then, just because I would have hated it if people I know found the channel. So that's why I stopped. I think you just know when the time's right and you don't really care anymore. That was in lockdown because I wasn't seeing anyone, so no one could give me their opinion or anything like that. It gave people a bit of time to get used to it. No regrets at all. I'm so happy that I started when I did. What equipment do you need to begin? Literally nowadays, your phone. I think your phone is good enough. So it is really easy nowadays to start. You don't need a really good camera. I would love a camera, but it's such an investment, especially if your channel doesn't go well or anything like that, or you don't want to carry on. So definitely just start with your phone. I use an iPhone 11 Pro, but I started with my iPhone 8. If you've got good lighting, I think lighting is so important. Definitely a ring light or something. I can link the one that I use down below. I've actually got two. They do help the quality a little bit. The phone actually has automatic settings, so if you check your camera settings, you can record videos in 4K, which does help a lot. Content ideas for the first few posts. I'm unsure what to post. I did feel like this, but I think I've got a list on my phone, so really I shouldn't ever run out of ideas. First few videos, I didn't really think about what I'd be posting. I just did like a variety of videos showing the kind of videos that I'll be uploading. So my first one was a everyday makeup routine where it was quite chatty. Then it was my top 10 makeup products, and then I think it was like a vlog. Make sure you get some kind of Q&A up, so if you do have new subscribers and they want to know more about you, they can click on that video. I think Q&A videos are really good if people are wanting to know a little bit more about you personally. But I think your first few videos, literally do whatever you want. Just do a variety. Whatever you want to film, you upload it. If you do ever feel like you're lacking in inspiration, I'll always look at other YouTubers' channels that are similar to mine, or videos that are trending or whatever. And you've got the time, just sit down and write a heck load of video ideas and you'll never run out. Top 3 tips for a small YouTuber wanting to grow their channel. Tip number 1, make sure your videos are good quality. Obviously mine are not the best quality ever, but just make sure that someone clicks on it and you're not sat with like really dark lighting or anything like that. Good quality actual video and thumbnails, they've got to be good quality as well. I don't know if that's 2 separate tips, but you know what I mean. Tie it all in together and make sure you're given the best quality content. Definitely sticking to an upload schedule. I don't know whether the day matters, but as long as you upload at least once a week, helps massively. If I could upload twice a week every single week, I wish I could. If you're promoting your channel out there and you've only got like a video from 3 weeks ago, people probably won't subscribe because they might think you've quit or something. So I think being consistent, everyone says it, but it definitely helps to grow your channel 100%. If you throw your videos out there obviously got to be good quality, so don't do too many and they're bad quality. Once a week, upload and stick with it, even if you lose your motivation. And at number 3, I feel like this might be one of the top ones to get more loyal subscribers, is to engage with other people. Other smaller YouTubers, comment on their videos, watch the videos, even like following them on Instagram, making friends from it. There are so many people that I've met through YouTube and they're just the loveliest people ever. So I think if you engage with people who have similar content to you, comment on loads of videos, but obviously support them as well and watch their videos, I think it really helps. There's even like Instagram groups and Facebook groups you can join where you can engage with other people. It's just nice to find similar channels sometimes, and it definitely helps to grow your channel. How do you get more views? Now this is kind of similar to the last one, but I've got different tips. So definitely doing videos that are searchable. I think if you upload mainly vlogs, unless YouTube pushes them out loads, they're not searchable. You need to do videos that people will search for. That is definitely probably the way my channel's got the most views, by doing like hauls. My hauls always do quite well because people will search them. So something that people are going to search, making sure the title will be something that somebody searches. I hope that makes sense. Tags as well. Just make sure your tags are actually relevant to the video. You tag as many combinations of your title as possible. So say you've put like Zara haul February, Zara haul 2021, autumn Zara haul, winter Zara haul, and literally as many combinations as you can think of, as long as they relate to the video, because I think they can be classed as spam if they're not related. Just think of as many ones as possible that will link to your video, and tag as much as you can. Also, promoting your channel is obviously great, so every single kind of social media, pop your channel on it. Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, literally anything. Every time you upload a video, put it on there. Even Pinterest, just get it anywhere and you will get more people coming to you. I've seen loads of people get famous on YouTube from being consistent on TikTok, so you can try that, and obviously with Instagram as well. That's definitely something I need to focus on more because I do not do that. What do you use to edit? I literally just use iMovie. I wish I could say I edit on a Mac and have Final Cut Pro, but I don't have a bank account for that, to be honest. But to be fair, iMovie is actually really good. Once you've got the hang of it, there's so many things you can do on it. My editing is super simple anyway, so iMovie does me fine. iMovie, it's free and it's great. How did you get the courage? Lockdown, literally. I just thought, I don't think I care anymore. I'm in lockdown, no one's gonna see me, and by the time I am allowed out, they've got over it already and they can't comment because there'd already be so many videos on there. Definitely thought too much into starting, thinking that I would get people saying stuff, but I've literally had no bad comments. If you think the time is right, do it, you won't regret it, and who cares what other people think anyway? I really do not care less anymore. Future aspirations / dreams with YouTube. Obviously I would love to get monetized, but it is so hard to get monetized. Like, people do not understand. Unless YouTube blows your video up and it decides to push it out to everyone, it's hard work. So that would be great. Obviously to be monetized, I feel like that's everyone's, for just to earn from a hobby, which would be great. I'd love to work with brands that I really love as well. That is something that I set myself this year, to work with more brands. But obviously I'm not just going to work with any brand, but you know what I mean. How do you find emailing / contacting brands? Now, I've never actually done this, and I know a lot of people who have done it, so I feel like I need to ask these people. I've never reached out to a brand myself. It's just not something I've really ever thought of doing. But when brands email me, I think with smaller YouTubers especially, it's hard to speak to brands on email because a lot of them do expect you to just do a whole video on something that's been gifted, and something just don't sit right sometimes with me when they want a whole video for nothing. That is why I've never accepted one of them, because they just don't sit right with me. I think you just learn over time how to communicate with them. Not a question, but I'm just super proud that you went for it. You're a natural. Thank you so much, that is so sweet. Cute, cute, cute. Do you get nervous to upload sometimes? No, I want to say not really. The only ones that give me a bit of anxiety are vlogs. That's why I don't do many vlogs. There's just something about vlogs where I just feel a bit on edge when I upload them. I don't know what it is. I just think it's because I haven't really done many, and also I find it super awkward to vlog in public and with other people. It's so annoying. That's something I need to get out of. I don't get nervous to upload on YouTube, but I do get nervous to upload on Instagram. How weird is that? Like, you'd think it would be the other way around, but I actually hate uploading on Instagram. I don't know why. But yeah, that gives me more nerves than uploading on here. Why didn't you carry on last time? The reason I didn't carry on last time is because someone I know found my channel and they was really nice about it, but I was just a crazy awkward human back in the day, so it really bothered me. I think I privated them all and just completely quit. That is really annoying. Imagine if I carried on now, but never mind. I just don't think the time was right. I don't think I would have been able to be at school and upload YouTube videos. You literally got rinsed for anything at my school, so I think it was probably for the best that I didn't carry on. Maybe one day I will show you my old videos. If we reach like a certain number of subscribers, I will show you my old videos. They're super cringe, but yeah, really entertaining. I've got about a year's worth on private, I think. Maybe one day I will react to them for you. Super awkward. How do you find the motivation to upload every week? It is hard sometimes, I won't lie. Having pre-filmed videos is number one tip. I set myself like a routine where every single Saturday I'll put makeup on and I'll film a video. I also find sometimes if I watch my videos back, then I'm like, yep, I can do this. I can film another video, I'm gonna do this. Speaking to other people, that really helps. Watching other people's videos and thinking, you know what, I can do this. Sometimes it is hard to keep the motivation, especially if your channel comes to like a halt with subscribers and views. I think sometimes it can get to you a bit, but just don't let it get to you. You will thrive one day. How do you deal with hate? Now, touch wood, I've never had any hate comment. I've been super lucky in that respect. In that, I don't think it'd bother me if I did get hate. There's always so many positive comments, and that one hate comment you can't let affect you. I just think people who give hate are sad people. You must be quite damaged to give someone else hate on social media, especially someone you don't even know. It's something that really annoys me. I just don't know how anyone could give anyone hate. Different breed of people, that's what they are. This kind of ties in with one of the previous questions. How do you have the effort to do a full face of makeup every time you film? If you look at my face, you'll know that I don't have the effort to film with a full face every single time. I've got extremely comfortable wearing hardly any makeup on the camera. I just feel like I have to have a bit of makeup on, and nowadays it is still a lot of effort, but you just have to get into the routine. I just go for a foolproof makeup look every single time that I know is not going to go wrong and take me like a ridiculous amount of time. The last question is, have people around you been supportive? 100%. I cannot believe how lovely everyone in my life has been about my YouTube channel. It's so weird to think about. Even people who I hardly speak to, they're just the loveliest, and honestly, on bad days it really does keep you going. Some people are just so lovely, strangers are lovely, everyone is just super supportive, and it's really nice to have people like that around you. I feel like some people don't understand it unless you're part of YouTube. You think some people still find it a little bit weird, but it's fine. And that was all of the questions that I got. I really hope you enjoyed my little small YouTuber Q&A, and I really hope it helped in some kind of way. If you have any more questions, just let me know, because I love to help. If you have any video suggestions, then feel free to leave them down below. If you haven't already, please make sure you subscribe, like and comment, and I will see you in my next video. Goodbye.